Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to redeem Capital One rewards. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go to their official page, just like so, log in into your account. Then after that, you will find here this option, My Rewards and Savings. Just click on it. You will be redirected to this page. It will show you here the available rewards, which here in my case is $20. Just simply click on Redeem Now. And now here you can see all the cards that are available. You can scroll down even for more options. Once you choose a card like this one right here, on the right side, you can enter the card value, which can be from $5 to 500, and you must verify your account in order to be able to purchase this card. So simply after verification of my account, I will be able to see this page. I have entered the amount. You need to check this box right here in order to click on place order. Now click on place order. Then after that will take some time to load like this. And now it will show here this page. Simply click on unlock card details and shop now. And you will need your security code for this process. If you're redirected to this page, you just have to enter the security code, then click on unlock your reward, and it will give you the code number and the PIN just like so. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.